Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Gemini at sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love, love, love sa inyong Tagalog. Love, love, love reading nyo na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is bago siya. So, we will tap into the third party energy. Okay. Please take note ang third party ay hindi lamang romantic. Okay? So anything or anyone outside the connection or yung relationship mo with your person na may influence or nakaka um, apekto sa relasyon ninyo ay third party energy. So pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, katrabaho, kapamilya, diba? Pwedeng trabaho din mismo, school, ACADS, career, business. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Alamin natin dito sa reading na to. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards. Tatlong step. Two cards each. So, isa sa current situation, relationship niyo. Isang set is yung third party energy or yung influence. And yung last is how it affects yung relationship. Okay? And gusto ko lang i-remind na this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate sa inyo. So, kung hindi siya nag-resonate o pilitin, ibig sabihin lang ay hindi ko nasagap ang energy niyo at abangan nyo na lang yung masusunod ko pang love reading. Kaya, importante na mag-subscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga ganap sa channel. Okay? Alright, sige, simulan na natin. Current energy ng inyong relationship ay King of Swords and Page of Pentacles. The third party energy, Eight of Cups and Five of Swords. Okay. And how it affects the relationship, Page of Cups and Knight of Cups. Okay, from Page to Knights. So, wala namang very prominent sign, zodiac sign. So, any sign pwedeng yun yung zodiac ng person ninyo. Okay? I can sense yun na hindi siya romantic. Something na, kung romantic man, something na iniwan man from behind. Pero, nagli-linger pa rin or parang may effect pa rin sa relationship. Pero bakit? Tingnan nga natin. At akong binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Gemini na sumusuporta, at susuporta sa aking channel. So sa mga bago, please subscribe na po para updated kayo. At syempre, para mag-grow yung channel ko, kasi pag nag-grow siya, mas marami pa akong reading na magagawa, mas ma-improve ko rin yung setup ko. Ayun. So, like nyo na yung video. It helps the channel grow. Saka comment na rin sa comment section. Okay? Salamat, salamat. Okay, sige, tingnan nga natin. So, okay. Romantic ba to? Or hindi? Six of Swords. Yeah. Okay. So, and it's romantic pero it's something from the past kasi parang past na siya. Pero alam natin bakit nagkakaroon ng effect, parang bakit naapektuhan yung relationship ninyo. what I can sense here, nakukuha kong energy is, um, yung past is parang hindi bumabalik. Parang nandiyan pa rin siya kasi sa life ng person mo. So, pwedeng kasi magkaibigan pa rin sila, in contact pa rin. But that doesn't mean na hindi ko nakakita yung energy na parang ini-entertain na or meron silang romantic ano or romantic engagement. Okay? Sige. Pero sige, simulan muna natin sa current connection niyo. So, yung current connection niyo is King of Swords and um, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, loyal naman tong person mo sa'yo. And both cards are cards of loyalty. King of Swords is a card of loyalty. Page of Pentacles is a card of loyalty. But at the same time, very honest naman tong person mo sa'yo. Honest siya when it comes to the relationship, commitment. And as shown by the Page of Pentacles, this person is um, showing it in actions and pinapakita naman niya na devoted siya sa'yo. And yeah, long-term commitment naman yung um, intention na sa'yo. Yung third-party energy, as shown here by the Eight of Cups, it's it's someone from the past na let go na nitong person mo. Um, pero kasi parang, alam mo yun, yung pwede kasi na yung past person niya is nandyan pa rin sa life niya as a friend, as a co-worker, or di ba, parang maybe recently biglang na keep in touch tong person. And as shown here by the Five of Swords, yun, parang it's causing lang some minimal conflict. Parang may, um, tingnan natin mamaya, alam natin yung detalye. Ano ba yung conflict? Pero may nagkakos siya kasi ng conflict dun sa um, in terms of how yung person mo dinideal yung situation siguro, di ba? Kasi posible, posibleng no choice siya na nandyan tong person at the moment sa life niya, di ba? Lalo na kung katrabaho. And kung kaibigan, for example, may reunion, hindi mo naman siyempre, ay, ex ko yan. Huwag ko nang pansin yun, di ba? If it's in a circle, same circle, group of friends, di ba? So, sige, how it affects the connection from Page of Cups to Knight of Cups. So, from, ayun nga, pareho, may energy na some kind of surprise kasi. Unexpected. Ito ang nakikita ko kasi dito, this is something unexpected na parang biglang bumalik itong person na to sa life nung person mo, but not something romantic. However, kasi syempre, may past sila, di ba? Parang, uh, maybe sa'yo, it may feel awkward, baka aware ka rin, bumalik siya, like, kumwari, kung kaibigan or may common friend, tapos nagkaroon ng reunion, napakilala sa'yo na, okay, ito yung ex, ganyan. Pero wala na talaga. Pero, siyempre, di ba, minsan, ganun eh. May mga, like, aminin mo, pag kunwari, nandyan bigla yung ex mo, parang ikaw, wala, bakit, ganyan. Or, ma, papakumpel ka, di ba? Which is hindi mo naman dapat ginagawa. Pero, hindi naman maiwasan yun. Okay, so, um, this will come as a surprise. Yung unexpected na parang biglang, uy, susupot ulit siya from the past, di ba? Blast from the past. So, and itong Nine of Cups nga is something na unexpected. So, it's a surprise, and then there's an unexpected na kaganapan, di ba? Pero alamin natin, ano ba yung unexpected kaganapan? Pero simulan muna natin ulit. Yeah, that this person is loyal and very committed to you. Ayan, Nine of Coins and Ace of Swords. So, as shown here by the Nine of Coins and yeah, ano naman, very um, secure naman yung secure ka naman with this person. And itong person na to naman din is totally wala na yung past niya sa life niya. Hindi na rin yung iniisip. Totally, this person is committed to you and that's the truth. Diba? Ace of Swords is um, having clear intentions, diba? And having honest uh, and very open naman siya and clear sa'yo na honest. And I think that possible na nasa isang situation siya like an event maybe na napakilala sa'yo. Kasi honest naman siya na okay, siya yung ex ko or pinakilala na okay, this is this and that. Tapos afterwards, yung pakilala, sinabi naman niya sa'yo, um, hindi naman niya tinago or hindi naman niya parang in-evade um, yung why question na siya yung ex mo. Parang, hindi, sinagot lang din na, oh, oo. But, and it's a very honest conversation between you and your person. And itong third party, okay, yeah, judgment and five of coins. Ano mo, five stars, five of coins. Tapos na talaga to. Wala na to, shown by the judgment. It's a decision has been made. Um, And five of coins, what I can see pa nga is yung person mo yung nakipaghiwalay dito sa ex eh. And I can see here na parang dun sa third party, sa ex, yeah, it's just sad. It's just sad. Siya yung sad na parang, okay, nakapag-move on na si ex, ganyan, yung person mo. So, yeah, it's tapos na to, or itong relationship. Pero, yun nga, parang bumalik lang siya unexpectedly, either na-reintroduce siya sa circle of friends, o nagparamdam, or baka sa biglang from somewhere abroad or provinces, siguro nag-message sa person niya na, or nandito ako sa example, Manila, or maybe catch up, ganyan. Pero nothing naman romantic. Okay, and ito, the Emperor and Nine of Wands. Yeah, and as I can say, this is something unexpected, and as shown by the Nine of Wands and the Emperor, very, yeah, yung unexpected action is out of practicality. Siguro nga na nasa same area, galing ibang lugar, tapos nagparamdam, nandito siya, ganyan. Tapos, um, possible nga din na namit mo sa isang reunion, for example, pwedeng co-worker or batchmate, tapos nagkaroon na rin yung work or yung school. Tapos, ayun, nag-reconnect sila, nagpakilala sa'yo, di ba? And Nine of Wands is, yeah, being resilient na wala na talaga to. Okay? Yun yung na-feel ko, nakukuha kong energy. That this is just uh, something lang na unexpected na bumalik, pero no actual romantic engagement. Pero siguro ito, on your end, ang na-feel ko energy dito is parang na may sense of, wait, alam mo yun, yung pag dumating yung ex na pakilala sa ex, parang, uy, may, in your mind, may thought balloon ka. na nako-compare mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. May ganun eh. Diba? Pero, let's see, ano yung advice ni Universe? What I can sense here is, huwag mong i-overthink yung situation kasi wala naman. Okay? So, what's the advice from the Universe? Sige. Move beyond your limits. Okay. So, yeah, ito is, huwag mo na kasi i-overthink, diba? Parang ang sinasabi lang din ni Universe sa'yo is, clarify nyo lang, pag-usapan ninyo, diba? And don't be limited nga na, okay, X siya, ganito, ganyan, ino-overthink mo. Kasi once na mag-overthink ka, yun, nandun nga yung parang makukulong ka na dun sa idea na there's something. Pero wala naman na kukuha kong energy dito, wala. It's something from the past na nagbalik, pero not necessarily may intention to be romantic or wala namang ano, energy na gustong agawin yung person mo, wala. If nagbalik lang siya, pero siyempre, for you na may ex na napakilala, nagbalik, diba? Parang magiging, magiging cautious ka sa situation. Pero, chill ka lang. Okay? So, saan nakatulong? Okay. Abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Okay. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mr. Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo. Ingat.